A new feature that's been added to version 16 is the ability to generate automated alerts in several of the SPC procedures. This would normally be done in conjunction with the dynamic polling of data sources that I talked about in another video. Now, the way you set up automated alerts is you first go to the Tools menu and you select Statfolio Alerts. You then create a message file. I'll do that by pressing Browse and selecting a comma-delimited file called SG-alarm file. What's going to happen now is that every time some unusual event happens on my control charts or in my capability procedures, it will write a record to this message file. Now, I will tell it what events I want to be alerted to. I can ask it to alert me to points that are beyond the control limits, either on my X bar chart or my R chart or whatever charts I'm using. I can also be alerted to unusual runs, violations of those Western Electric rules, if I'm using those. I can also ask to be alerted to situations where certain capability indices fall below critical values. Now, several things can actually happen whenever an unusual event occurs. I can have the program display a message box. I can have it sound an audio alarm. Or I can have it send an email from me, Neil at statpoint.com, to me, Neil at statgraphics.com. What would happen now is that as I pulled my data sources and recalculated my control charts and capability indices, if I ever got a situation where I had a point beyond the control limits or an unusual run or an unusually low value of CP or CPK, I'd automatically be alerted.